Here's how to get your Shopify transaction data back into Facebook Ads Manager using offline conversions. So if you noticed when iOS 14 dropped, a lot of your sales data in Ads Manager went missing thanks to the changes that Apple made to the way that Facebook can track customers. One quick trick to get around this by utilizing Zapier and offline conversion to export those transactions from your Shopify store back into Facebook. All you need to do this is a Zapier account. Once you've logged into your Zapier account, you've just got to connect your Shopify to your Facebook account to export those transactions into an offline event set. Those can be accessed from your events manager, and if you don't have one, you'll need to create one before you link up the Zap. There are multiple benefits to using offline conversion, namely 28-day look-back window, the option to use that audience for custom audiences and lookalike audiences, and to also use that offline conversion data to run automated rules in your Facebook account. We've found by adding offline conversions back into the stores that we manage, we're seeing roughly 30 to 40% more transaction data than we were seeing prior to adding offline conversions in. So what are you waiting for? Go and get a Zapier account, connect up your Shopify store with offline conversions today.